Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is BYDALESMITH. For my new viewers, thank you for joining. So, if your CRS score feels really low and you're wondering how to increase it as a Canadian graduate, well, this video is for you. I'm going to break down the fastest and most realistic ways you can increase your scores without any false hopes or shortcuts. So, without further ado, let's get right into this video. First, let me say this clearly. Most people do not get invited immediately, and that's totally normal. The goal is not to panic. The goal is what? Strategy. Yes, you heard me, strategy. So, for our strategy number one is to improve your language scores. Yes, improving your language scores is the fastest and most powerful way to get your CRS scores to go higher. And if you're really serious about you getting your PR, retaking your IELTS or CELPIP is usually a very smart move because imagine you are in a CLB 7 and you retake your IELTS or CELPIP and then you go up to a CLB 9. Your scores would jump significantly. And language has a very important factor to play in your CRS scores because it would affect your core points and also your skills transferability points. So, this is a major high return on investment type of move, and it is one of the most important steps that you can take to get higher CRS scores. And you really want to consider this if you're looking to improve your scores as a Canadian graduate. For our second strategy would be to gain more Canadian work experience. Yes, I know how that sounds, but it is the second fastest way to improve your CRS score. So, for instance, if you already are working in a full-time role, by the way, and a tier 0, 1, 2, or 3, then you can just stay in your job and get more years of experience within that job, and then your score would increase. Usually you would see a part on the CRS score calculator that says 1 or 2 years of experience, that's a certain score you're going to get in that category. And if you have 3 years or 5 years or more experience, then your score goes up as such. So yeah, it's a bit tricky. I know it's a little bit hard, especially for those that are on work permit, or those that have limited time on their work permit or whatnot. But this is the second best way to actually increase your CRA score. So you want to explore that option. Now to the game changer, guys, is provincial nominee programs. Yes, and this brings me to strategy number three. If you get a PNP nomination, it increases your CRS score by an additional 600 points. And this usually guarantees you an invite. Like you're literally going to get invited. There is nothing else you need to worry about. But the only thing you need to make sure you're doing is to check what your province requirements are because each province has its own set of rules and priority occupations when it comes to PNP nomination. So make sure you're checking that and you're good to go. Our next strategy will be to claim your foreign education properly. Yes. So if you studied outside Canada and you're yet to get an ECA, well, you might be leaving some points on the table. So it is very essential that you get into that, do an educational credential assessment so that IRCC can recognize your foreign degree because the more educational points, the higher your CRS scores. So in as much as it's a little bit of a hassle to do the ECA, I know because of the timing, the amount you even have to pay, and all the different processes involved. I know it's a little bit, of a stretch, but this is something that can also boost your CRS scores significantly. And yeah, just get on that. So the final strategy that I have for you would be spousal points. And yes, this is a little bit peculiar because it's only when you're married that you can get more points in this category. So if you're married, your partner or spouse can actually help you boost your CRS scores by taking the language test and getting high scores, getting their credential verified, which is their education verified. And also, if they're with you here in Canada, they can try to get Canadian work experience. However, when you're applying for your PR, it is very important that the primary applicant is the person that has the higher degree, higher scores, higher work experience, higher everything literally, and let that be the primary applicant. And then your spouse or your partner can support you by doing these other things that I mentioned earlier on to boost your CRS points. So yes, those are like the major ways that you can boost your CRS score while points. I understand that getting your PR is something that is very important to you, you want to make sure that you're not doing any of these things, which is relying on unofficial job offers misinterpreting your work experience just because you want to get more points. If you cannot prove that, that's going to be a problem later on. Do not assume that the job you do while you're on your study permit will count towards your work experience in Canada. So these are little things that you should put in mind and make sure that you're staying away from, and so you don't get into any trouble while you're working through your PR process. So CR's cost fluctuates over time, and instead of focusing your attention on what is being drawn today or yesterday, and sometimes the scores that are being drawn today is not the same scores that will be drawn tomorrow, and some of this scores, what is competitive 6 months ago might not be what is competitive right now. So instead of focusing your energy on just checking what the draws are, let it da, make sure you're focusing on how to improve your own profile and getting the most out of your profile. Okay, we've come to the end of the video, and just to recap on everything that I've said, I gave 5 strategies on how you can improve your CRS score. So the first one being improving your language score. Second one is to gain more Canadian experience. Third, if you get a PNP nomination, is perfect. Fourth is to ensure that you verify your foreign education properly. And lastly is spousal points. I hope that this few points of mine will help you in getting better results when it comes to increasing your CRS score. And if this video has been super helpful to you, drop a like and share with somebody that needs this. And of course, remember that PR is a process. Strategy makes it smoother. Clock that. Anyways, bye. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment, okay? See you next time.